Alright, what's good, YouTube? Hold up. Alright, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Void Memes video. Yep. We're milking these, bro. We are milking these, bro. Let me go ahead and rewind. I just have to make sure the audio is playing. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Okay, so depending on what y'all do with this information that I'm about to tell y'all, it's gonna determine if I'm gonna keep watching Void Memes on YouTube or not. So, Twitter, Instagram, one of them. It don't matter. If y'all got any videos of Void Memes that y'all want me to react to, I do like a series on that, and I'll react to Void Memes. If you're a person that make Void Memes, hey, send it to me on Twitter, Instagram. Matter of fact, Twitter. Do it on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. Twitter, okay? Don't send it on Instagram. I'm not gonna look at it. And yeah, I'll go ahead and react to it, make a little series out of that or whatnot. You feel me? Or I'm gonna just keep doing this on YouTube. Now to the video. Let's watch.
Baby, come give me something, oh. Baby, come give me something, oh. Cause I can't stop loving.
Why did that take so long for? Alright. I also forgot. Y'all already know how I feel about Buddy, so yeah. Welcome to hell, alright, bro. What is this filter? I heard the little footsteps too, so it didn't get me. bro, he
get Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Did I see this one already? Nah, I don't think I've seen this one already. If I have, then that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. My fault.
Very good voice actor Funimation. Help me be a voice actor on Funimation.
That's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail right there.
Whatever anime it is, it doesn't have to be Funimation. It can be other voice dubbers, but I can do voices. My own style, not copying other people's vocal cords, my own vocal cords.
Let me turn this up a little bit. They did do something different though, hearing little footsteps running at you. That might be the thumbnail right there. I don't know. It
is. So, what'd you get for lunch? Cookies again? I got freaking vegetables.
Yo, what is that phobia called? Where it's like a little bit of holes, tryphobia or something like that. I can't remember the name of it. I may or may not have that. I don't know.
Again, big oof. Well, maybe after we're done eating, we can play some Smash Bros on your Nintendo Switch.
Make me itch all over. That did not sound right. Pause.
Hi.
How many of you know working out on an off day after a back-to-back?
I can't wheeze right now.
I died for this, dog. I live for it.
Yep. That's the second LeBron one that we got in. What is that?
Some greatness out here, cuz.
these nigga bitches for one, and fuck these dyking ass.
What the fuck?
Prostitute ass. Oh, nigga don't give a fuck up.
Scare me.
About none of that. You bitch ass niggas be hiding. We real headhunters, man. Come on, man.
That looked like something out of Little Nightmares, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm a bitch.
Okay. What the f... What the f... Oh, that dude, I just realized who that was. Yeah, that's him. Dude, they be smiling, bro. It sound like a Sonic level. Now them toes, hell no. When did this turn into like a story? Like, bruh. Okay, alright. What? Bro! No! Bro, that look like that thing from freaking I Am a Legend and Legion or whatever the fuck that dang movie called.
Live on stream for you guys to demonstrate once and for all that you can build a computer better than me.
Or that you can't.
Right there, yep, I knew it, yeah, right there. Right there. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
E-mail. Uma doçura.
So guys, I tested positive for COVID-19. No.
Alright, bro. Alright, that's the end of the video. Might get a I can't talk. I might post another one. Well, not post another one, but I might make another one right after this. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. Hope you leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.